Welcome. The next important topic that we'll discuss is from environment. COP30, highly important for prelims as well as for mains, even for your UGC NET examination. Now, COP30 was held in Belém in Brazil. The idea from India was to submit the NDC, that is the nationally determined contributions by 2035, and this was the NDC 3.0. Now, again, two important things were taken into account. One is the 50% non-fossil fuel milestone to be achieved 5 years before the target. So the target was 2030 deadline and it was achieved in 2025. Also, 50% of the total installation was achieved from non-fossil fuel. So again, electricity installations from non-fossil fuel were very important as part of this. The next is PM Surya Graha Yojana. Now this focuses on the Muft Bijli Yojana. The idea is to have solar rooftops for more than 1 crore households. The next is National Green Hydrogen Mission for 2025, which talks about full-scale operational green hydrogen production, specifically in southern India. Now, the major ecological aspects includes the Ramsar site, 85 plus Ramsar sites in India. The new ones in Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh really important. The next ones are Project Tiger, Project Elephant, the continuation of these projects. Another important one is the new national park, which includes the Guru Ghasidas Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve, which is now in Chhattisgarh and has become functional. Very, very important. Now, similar kind of topics are really important for your upcoming prelims examination. So, practice those well, prepare those well, and of course, the complete preparation is available at the link below. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.